I could tell she was horny. Her tits started popping out more. I was like, oh, say less.
Okay, so welcome back or welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you how to what was it? Oh yeah, how to remove everything from your wish list. Okay. So I'm gonna be honest, I already went and cleared everything from my wish list, so I had to go back and just put random stuff in there. Like half of this stuff I don't even want. I just put it in there for the video. And I know I only have like 40 stuff in there, but if you have like 1,000 or more items in your wish list, then you still can do it. It's okay or whatever. Okay. So what you want to do is you switch over to Safari and you want to go down, bro. Okay, until you can get to the Imvu Classic website, and then you want to scroll in, tap shop, and then click still the shop part, not anything else. Then, okay, as you're on the big screen, you zoom in right here to my wish list, and as you see, it's all the stuff that was just in my wish list that I do not want. So you go to remove all. Okay, and it says you currently don't have anything in your wish list, so let's go back to Imvu, and everything is out of my wish list. And I hope this helped you, and hit subscribe if you want, like, yeah, thanks. Why did I just do that? No, I can't end the video like that because that was very much ghetto and boring. Thanks for tuning in to my video. And that's so ugly.
I'm a dumbass. I'm a dumbass. I'm a dumbass.
Bro, just, I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's it, and that's all.
We are going to pretend we didn't hear that.